How to help baby roll over, part of Babypillars online home course.
Around your baby's 6-month mark, you will notice they will be able to reach their foot into their mouth completely on their own. Now, hold your baby's diagonal hand and foot, and here too, reach their hand across to their opposite foot. By gently touching their arm and thigh, you will be able to lead them towards releasing their grip and opening up their fingers to grab onto their foot on their own.
How to help baby roll over, part of Babypillars online home course.
Now, separate their diagonal hand and foot. Repeat this open and closing motion several times to familiarize your baby with the feeling of this motion on their own, and to get them used to practicing diagonals, so they can use them later on when they attempt to roll over or crawl. Do this same motion with their other hand and foot. With every exercise you do, always be sure to perform it on both sides equally in order to maintain a symmetry in your baby's body.
How to help baby roll over, part of Babypillars online home course.
Now, let's return to our starting point, with your baby's hips rested on your leg. Attach a small bell to your baby's legs using a string or a hairband. Patiently allow your baby the time to reach out their arm towards their foot so they can play with the bells. It's very important that you remain patient and wait for your baby to reach out to the bells independently. Let them enjoy the bells for a while. You will notice your baby will attempt to grab the bells, sometimes with their parallel hand and sometimes with their diagonal hand. The more you let your baby play this game, the more you will teach them to open up their hand for the purpose of intentionally grabbing an object in front of them. When finished, remove the bells from their legs and rub their feet gently together.